Thanks for joining us again in the Life's a Feast kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to correctly clean mushrooms. So a lot of people assume the right way to do that is by rinsing them under a tap. That's actually not the best way to clean mushrooms, and I'll tell you why. So if you wash your mushrooms, they have the tendency to absorb a lot of water, which means that you're going to lose taste, and if you want to get them nice and crispy when you're frying them or grilling them, you won't be able to. So the right way to clean mushrooms, there's actually a couple of ways you can do it, is with a dry kitchen paper towel or a pastry brush. Okay, so if you look at this mushroom here, it's actually quite dirty, this one. So you can just get your paper towel or your pastry brush and just brush it all over and get rid of all that dirt. Okay, you could do exactly the same thing with the pastry brush if you prefer that. Just brush it all over, get rid of all the excess dirt, and you're done. Too easy. Hope you enjoyed today's cooking tip. Happy cooking, and we'll see you next time.